Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first map with the iRobot Roomba 105. If you're interested in the 105, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the iRobot home app right here. We can go to the My Home section or the Robot section. That's the bottom left-hand corner, those two icons. So first I'll show you from the My Home section. We have right at the top this message saying the 105 is ready to create its first map. This is what you'll see after initial setup and getting this connected to your app in your account. You'll have that option to create a map. Or if you go under the robot section, we can select Roomba 105. And right next to the charging status, so top center of the screen, we have a black create a map button. So you can choose either of those black buttons to get to this screen, where it walks you through expectations for the Roomba. Then you can select next, preparations for the Roomba. And then now you go ahead and you hit the create map option. So we'll select that. And now it's gonna leave the station, work on creating a map. It'll take a couple of minutes depending on the size and complexity of your house. Give it 5 or 10 minutes, maybe even a little bit more depending again how large and complex your layout is. But it's going to work on creating the map. You can see it starting in real time. So we'll wait for it to come back to the station and finish, and then we'll see the results. All right, so it just returned home. It's working on creating the map. There we go. Take a look. Looks great for my space. This section in room 4, that's actually a staircase going down. So from here we have this screen where it says, do you want to edit your map? We can edit or save the map. If it looks off, here's what to do. You can delete and create a new map. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to save the map first just to make sure we lock that in. So it's locked in and we're at this screen now where we have our cleaning routine options, spot clean, create a new routine, or we can pick and choose rooms on the map to clean. So we can do that. You'll also notice there's the cleaning settings. If we go further down, we have that option to edit the map again, which is why I like to save them right away before I edit anything. Then we can edit our rooms. So you can pick and choose the room you want to edit. So you can rename, merge, or split. So you can do that there. You can add clean zones, so areas that you want to target for cleaning. So then you can select those just to clean those zones on a map. So their zone cleaning isn't drag and drop. Their spot cleaning is, but not their zone cleaning. And you can always add keep out zones too. No mop zones or no-go zones for everything. All of that right there in the map. We can rotate the map or delete the map. So very simple, straightforward. It took less than 5 minutes for this to map our house. And if you've used previous generations of Roombas, that's a substantial upgrade. It's way faster. It's more on par with what you'd expect from the competition out there. I'd say that's largely due in part to having LiDAR now for mapping versus using their camera, vision, and sensor-based systems in the past. So a nice welcomed addition for the Roomba 105 series to speed up initial mapping.